Hey guys, how's it going? Ghostly Rich here today, and today I got a package from Amazon. What was in this package? Ta-da! Check it out. I got the new Ronin bullet antenna. Let's take a look at how it looks. So, it comes in this really cool container. Watch me drop it. So, it's in there. It's all nicely wrapped up. Let's pull it out. Comes with sticker, but my sticker's already bent. And this. Yay, another sticker I'm not going to use, but still. Comes with a nice fancy little sticker. If you're happy with your purchase, feel free to share. Consider blah 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 blah. Well, we'll see if we're happy with it. Cool little package for sure. Anti-theft, because apparently it comes with red Loctite on it. And it gives you these really neat instructions, which is pretty cool. It tells you to screw it on by hand, eh? Let's take a look at this antenna. So, that looks pretty dope. Let's back that out. Right to there. First off, it looks way bigger than I thought it was going to be, which is good. It's definitely, I like the emblem. I was hoping it wasn't going to be too bad, and it definitely isn't. It's got that Loctite components on here. And I'm going to put this back in the package just for right now. And I'm going to quickly loosen that off. Take a 3/8. We'll just go like this. And again, against the clock, if you're wondering like which way to go, apparently I'm going to need to do a little more than that. Ta-da, the old tip is off. As you can see, it's got the same thing. What's cool about the Ronin antenna is it doesn't require a whole bunch of adapters like some of the other ones do, because they're universal. This is just completely ready to go. Just take it as it is, put it on here, back thread if you wish, and then start threading it on. Again, just start it off nice, and you just start screwing it on. Again, they're just saying hand tight, so I'm gonna He-Man this as a good rule of thumb, I guess. Hey, maybe I won't even get to see the emblem because the emblem is so far behind. Yeah, I guess if I would have started it a little bit earlier. Yeah, that's what mine's gonna look like, and the emblem's kind of hidden. It looks pretty neat. My friend had one that was only like this big. So who knows, maybe this one will give better reception. The one thing that I've always heard is when you switch to the bullet and the stubbies is your AM goes out the window. Well, that's pretty easy to say here. I'm actually thinking that, yeah, I'm not gonna see the symbol, which isn't a bad deal. I thought it was, even in their little ad, it showed it right here. Maybe if I tried a different threading area, it would show, but I actually prefer it not showing and it's facing the vehicle. Kind of just looks like a black bullet then. So let's take another look. I'm gonna lift my camera up here. We're just gonna bring it out. It's kind of hard to see, but let's zoom you in all of a sudden. It looks pretty dope. I like it. And again, can't see much of the symbol because it's just around the corner. Anyways, that's how easy it is to install a new antenna on a Jeep. I know it's kind of just really showing you what that antenna looks like. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Press like if you liked it and subscribe for more.